doing. She is banging the you-know-what out of the stem of her lemongrass because that releases the flavor and the juices. She's really smacking it so you get out your aggression.
Many recipes for any of my cooking, so we just, in about 10-15 minutes, take out your lemongrass and cool it.
So cook this for about 10 or 15 minutes in boiling water. After the lemongrass has simmered for about 15 minutes, remove the lemongrass and let it cool. You could smell this enticing scent and aroma of the fresh lemongrass that's been cooking for our tea. Lemongrass tea is done, and you're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes. You're going to remove and get rid of the lemongrass. And you'll notice the water has changed. It's almost sort of looks like when you cook asparagus, what the color of the water looks like. And that way you know when your tea is ready.